Hi friends.
Hi.
Hello colleagues.
Hello. They all missed that when you didn't say it last time. So today we wanted to give you guys, don't look at the viewfinder, I'm gonna have a hard time with that. We wanted to give you guys kind of just an...
Don't look at the viewfinder. Don't look at the viewfinder.
We kind of wanted to give you guys just like a before, I guess. You can see it's really messy. This is our house. We're in our house. Oh shit. We're in our house right now, and I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an idea of what the house looks like right now before we've done most work to it. The bathrooms had some work done. We have done a lot of work, but like this is still in the very much before stage, and so I wanted to give you guys an idea of what the house looks like now, so that way in a few months when we post our like finished, you'll have an idea of like where things started.
Sorry we look all, we're in work clothes.
Yeah, we're doing a lot of spackling today, so got a lot of work to do. But
you
yeah.
want me to be cameraman?
No, I'm gonna just be camera person because I don't want to be on camera. Like,
oh, I see how it is.
I don't trust him to get my angles right. So this is our front door. There's like a little entry right here. Sorry, it looks like we're in a scary movie.
Welcome to the Blair Witch.
Yeah, like sorry we're in kind of a scary movie. Don't curse us while we're filming this, but this is kind of our entryway right here, and when you walk into the door, it leads down to a very creepy basement. Some of the electricity doesn't work in the house. So, should I show them the basement?
Yeah, why not?
Do they care?
We did a lot of work down there.
The basement was basically full. And now it's completely, again, it's really dark.
Well, so this basement was full of stuff.
There we go.
Look at, we can show them
Oh, this is creepy.
our million-year-old Seagrams.
Oh, yeah. This is actually like super old. We're gonna put a washer and dryer over here.
Completely full of stuff.
Yeah, and we cleaned it all out.
So what do we do down here? New hot water.
New air conditioning and heating vent over here.
Yeah, new furnace.
New furnace.
And then
There's just
this is all stuff.
work stuff that we're saving because it's like tools that we can use.
Yeah.
A lot of storage down here, which is a big thing about this house. There's a lot more storage than we have obviously at the apartment. And this is also going to be where we put the washer and dryer underneath this cabinet, we're pretty sure.
We had to rebuild completely. Well, we didn't. We paid somebody to do it because we had electricians.
Oh yeah, our electric.
Put it on a modern electricity system. Originally, the house is so old it ran on coal. Like it actually ran on coal. And there was somewhere there's a coal chute over here.
I didn't know that,
Yeah.
actually.
So it originally ran on coal, which they used in the chimney to keep everything warm. That chimney was all rusted out. We had to replace that. In the back right corner there, you can see how there's some pink brick exposed. After the coal, there used to be a big kerosene tank there, because then they started to run on kerosene.
Ooh.
So we had to take that out. We didn't take that out. The guys we
didn't do it.
because it was very heavy and it still
Yeah.
had kerosene in it. And then they updated to a furnace.
All right. So that's our basement. I won't be down here. But then when you come up the stairs from the basement, this is a little hallway that also leads to our front door, which we'll show you in a minute. See that we have some water damage and just paint chips and stuff.
And they can see the ceiling's completely redone up there.
Yeah, we just redid that whole thing. But this basically makes the house a circle, which is kind of cool. I enjoy that. So then here, this is our kitchen. Not a lot of kitchen-y things going on in here, but
Completely ripped out all the cabinets.
there used to be cabinets, all built-ins right here. There used to be a really old fridge right here. There's really nothing on this side. Yeah, we have a plan for this, and we're gonna completely, this is kind of a holding area right now because we're painting in the other rooms. That's why it looks like this. But yeah, a lot of potential and a really nice size, wouldn't you say?
Yeah, I'd say so. It looks smaller because it's full, but
it's got potential, we think.
and we gotta completely redo the walls. Ceiling probably needs a little bit of work. It's not that terrible.
No. There's also doors, basically these are the original to the house, these doors. And they're basically at the entrance of every room in the house, which we think is a cool feature and will help with like air conditioning and stuff like that. This is our dining room. Looks a little bit better. Our dining room. You can see the spackle spots that we put up. Yeah, it's a really nice space. We have a dining room table. I talked about in my video, the dining room table that I got. And another fun feature, excuse the fly thing, but another fun feature are these windows. They're actually original stained glass, and I think they're really beautiful. We have them in this room and in the living room.
Leaded glass.
And then right here,
All of this original gumwood too.
right here in this little alcove, I want to put a lot of shelves. You can have a bookshelf and like games all in this room, because this room is also going to double as kind of like Charles's game room for him and his friends. This is our air conditioner I fought so hard for.
All original gumwood. Same thing with the floors. It's all the original.
Yeah, the carpets are down just for our protection, like trying to protect the floors. But the floors, you can see they're really thin. And we're keeping all the original wood because we just love it.
And show them the ceiling here. Because the ceiling,
we fixed all this.
Completely redone the whole ceiling.
Yeah, because it was pretty much caving in. Though, and there's a lot of light in this room, a lot of windows.
And we're probably going to have to replace these too. I don't know if you can see.
Yeah, the molding is pretty cracked.
Yeah, we're probably going to have to replace that at some point because it's all the paint. That's just the paint. But I don't know if you can spackle on molding.
We're trying to figure that out now.
So we might just have to replace it.
And all our grates and stuff.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is the dining room. A lot of light, really pretty. This is our living room. The living room is kind of a weird shape, which has kind of been tricky to look at that door too. I die over that door. Isn't that so beautiful? It has the glass. This room also has those same stained glass windows. It has 2 of them. So what we're thinking, leaded glass. We're thinking is putting the TV in between here and then doing kind of an L shape with our 2 couches. And then we want to put Charles's like gaming setup and desk back there. We actually just found this yesterday. We're not really sure how to fix it, but
there's an outline here of where the fireplace used to be.
Yeah.
When it ran on coal, when they were heating everything by like coal and wood. So there's technically a fireplace. What if somebody just knocked back? There's technically
we'd not be moving in.
There's technically a fireplace behind there, but you can see it's been sealed over and it's all cracked.
Yeah, and there's also a hole.
A giant hole there.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna have to patch over that, but there's no studs or anything back there because it's just a fireplace.
Yeah, so we're not really sure how to fix that one.
Yeah, that's something I gotta figure out.
Yeah, but this is also where our TV.
It's super dark.
Yeah, I think the outside got darker. Another thing I love are these beautiful windows in here because it just, again, the natural light. There's a little mirror. You can see us. Over here is actually a record player we found in the house. We decided to keep. It still works, but it is definitely, we had saved some records too. But yeah, this is kind of our living room area. If you guys have any ideas, like furniture stuff, we're a little bit lost with this room, only in the sense that because it's so long, but not super, it doesn't have a lot of width to it. It's kind of a tricky room to decorate. This is the plug situation we're dealing with. Very old school, and these are the light switches, which I kind of want to keep one of these because I think it's really cool. It's like buttons and it turns lights on and off.
Weird.
What happened?
Nothing.
No, that light came on.
Oh, on the porch.
I actually kind of want to keep these because I think it's really cool that there's like button light switches. I don't know, I think it's a fun little thing for the house. And then you open this door and you are back to this hallway that we just showed you before. You're still the other side.
Turn on.
This is probably my favorite part of the house, even though it's got stuff in it right now. This is our porch. We have a little outdoor, well, it's an indoor porch. It's completely enclosed with all these really beautiful windows. I'm trying to keep it low. It does have windows all around, but I don't want to show our like neighbors' houses. Right now it has our dining set out here though. This is the dining room table I was telling you guys about that I'm very excited about, and all of the matching chairs. And that is also a couch and a TV stand back there that we stole from my parents' house. But this is our little outdoor porch. We're gonna get rid of this green stuff. We're gonna repaint the walls, and yeah, I'm really excited about this one. I'm excited. Yeah, we're getting rid of the green stuff.
Put something down.
Yeah, we're gonna put an outdoor rug. And I'm gonna make this like my little oasis. I have a lot of plans for this. I'm very excited. So it also has the same door that I just absolutely love. I love this door. This is our staircase. Again, we're getting rid of all this green carpeting. Everything's really gonna have the natural wood, but this is our landing. We have a cute little window. And then up here, there's a mixer. This is very low, and Charles constantly hits his head on it.
We're putting a little rubber bump.
Yeah, we're gonna make it child-proof. So this is the first bedroom. Let's just go in here. This is the smallest of the 3 rooms. Very small. We're gonna put our queen bed in it. That's Charles's. That's in my beauty room right now. And we're gonna make this like a full-on guest bedroom, so that way people can come and like spend the night with us. But this one's definitely the tiniest room. And again, you can see all of the like cracks on the walls. And so that is this room, basically. We'll show them the closet too. This is the closet. And it's got a decent amount of depth to it. So this will definitely be utilized by me. All right. And again, all these doors, I just love them. This is gonna be the office. I'm so excited about this room. So, right now it's pink, which is not the color it's gonna stay. We picked out, no, it's purple. We picked out a really pretty, don't shrug your shoulders like it doesn't matter. We picked out a really beautiful purple color. This is a dresser that's gonna go in our bedroom, but we're just keeping it in here. We found this in the house too. But it's got some windows. This is where Charles is standing. This is gonna be the new filming corner. I'm putting some external storage over against this wall, and then this whole section. I'm gonna do an L-shaped desk where this side is more for editing and this side is more for like a vanity. Really excited about that. But yeah, and then this is the closet for in here. Decent amount of storage. It's not too bad. I like this little step here because this will be a great place to store shoes. I think that's really good. And right here will be a good place for like bags and scarves and stuff. So it's got a decent amount, but I have a lot of clothes. So the external storage is definitely gonna be a necessity. Again, like these light switches, I love. So this is the biggest room in the house, and this is gonna be the master. This is the master. Again, smaller room, but definitely big enough for what we need. So we're gonna put our bed against the wall where Charles is standing. We're gonna have to downsize our nightstands because we measured it all out. The nightstands are not gonna fit. It's got a really cool shape to it. It's got like kind of a curved shape to it, which is really cool. That dresser you just saw in my office is gonna go right there. And then this will be Charles's closet. It's a pretty good size. It'll definitely hold all of his stuff. But yeah, this is gonna be really minimal. We might put a TV up against that wall, but we're unsure if we even wanna put a TV in here. We're not really sure.
Everything's getting fresh on paint.
Oh yeah, everything's getting painted. We haven't even started painting. This is a closet. This will be Charles's, and this is actually one of the bigger ones in the house, so he will definitely have ample space to store his stuff. And this bedroom as a whole, I mean, it's kind of hard to like visualize, I think, but I have a vision for this room. And again, the original hardwood is everywhere in the house, which we love. I think this is actually gonna end up being like a really nice room. This is by far the room we've done the most work on. So we're still getting a new toilet and a new sink. This sink is very old, as is this toilet, but this is our brand new shower. This was one of the more pricier items just because we had to completely, this whole wall right here, they had to completely build, and build.
It was just a tub there.
Yeah, just a tub.
Like a clawfoot tub, like a tub.
Yeah. A service called Bath Fitters, and we kind of got to design the whole shower. I picked that. We got to design the whole shower ourselves, and I actually really like how it turned out. We're kind of bummed we can't have a bathtub, but there just wasn't a way to make a bathtub fit in this space. The bathtub that was in here was crazy small. This is just past that. I think I have a little skincare storage thing I think we're gonna put here, and I want to change out this mirror to be a little bit newer, obviously, and the new sink. And then the other cool thing that we did was this closet that you see right here. I'll show you. We initially wanted it to be taken out completely, and then we noticed that. So that is part of the stairs, basically, that's like coming up into here. So we couldn't get rid of this closet entirely, but it used to come out to, oh, you can see on the floor, it used to come out to there where that ended. So it gave us approximately 1.5 feet of space to like step out of this shower. So we had to fix that. So we called our guy who's been doing a lot of this drywall stuff that you see for us, and he came in and shortened this, rebuilt the door frame for us, and basically just made it a lot smaller. So now it's crazy how different it looks, but it just opens up the room so nicely. So this room still has a lot of work, but it's the most done so far, and I love our shower, so. Come on up. No. A really, really nice storage space. There's that chimney again that you saw in the basement. So we just got all new insulation put in. The insulation when we first came up here, it was falling down. We're gonna make it usable storage though. So that way it just looks a little bit nicer. This is kind of what we're working with right now.
The problem is we can't finish it completely because there's not enough space to run heat.
Yeah, so we would need to make it come out 16 inches further with the drywall to run heat, and that would basically make it so you couldn't even stand up in here. So we're trying to think maybe we could finish it with drywall just so it looks nicer, but other than that, we're gonna store a lot of stuff up here. Okay, So that was our house. I hope you guys liked this video, and I hope it was fun to see what I'm talking about when I say the house, and kind of, are you paying attention?
Yeah.
And just looking off in the distance.
I'm just thinking about all the stuff I gotta still take off the walls.
I know. So basically, this is what we're talking about when we say the house. This is what we're working on all the time. And yeah, I'm really excited for you guys to see it. And I hope you like this video. I know it's kind of in a rough place right now, but we're so lucky.
We'll get there.
Yeah, and we're so lucky to have this space, and we're so lucky to be able to do what we're doing with it. So we're just overall really excited. And I was so excited to show you guys kind of the starting point. So that way when we post the finish, you can see all the work that's gone into it over the next 2 months, how much work we put into it and everything. So I love you guys so much. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, or just subscribe, or do neither. Honestly, just so happy you're watching me.
Your first outro of the house, of the new house.
That's so exciting. Okay, thank you so much for watching. You've messed it up though. Now I did it wrong.
That's okay.
It's okay. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye. All right.